We are moving again. This time we are going to literally a village from a 3 BHK villa in a community setup to 1 BHK house in a regular village where we have mud roads leading to our house, that kind of village. So come along, I'll take you through my packing and my story, and then I'll show you the new house as well. Hi everyone, welcome back. This move has been emotional, grounding, and very teaching. Today I'm sharing what really happens behind a mindful shift, not just the physical packing, but the choices behind every item we keep, give, or let go. Clothes are always the first things I declutter or pack. So this time there wasn't much to sort out from my regular wardrobe. But while packing, I realized something. I have many sarees, beautiful sarees that I rarely wear but somehow still can't let go of. These sarees will not sit in my cupboard anymore. I will upcycle them soon, give them a second time, second life. You will see this transformation on my brand page, Second Time by Arpita Rai. I'm actually excited about this part. When I looked at Kiki and Krishna's clothes, we removed a lot, all in very good condition. Last time when we visited Sadhana Forest, I gave their clothes to the free store. This time also we kept aside a clean pile for giving away. In the end, we were left with small suitcases. Mine is medium size, loosely filled, one for each of us. That's it. Winter wear is kept separately because Pondi weather doesn't seem to need sweaters. And honestly, it felt light, simple, and very clear. We also cleared Oreo and Bright's things, removed broken harnesses and old leashes, found some collar bows that came as gifts, so I kept those. They looked too cute to give away. When we make mindful choices, we naturally end up with only the things we actually use, things that stay with us for a long time. And honestly, this applies to every single item in the house. I realized I still had attachment to a few things I couldn't leave behind, even when I knew I had to. We sold our cots, tried so hard to sell the sofa, didn't work, gave away kitchen items, gave away our old washing machine. It must be around 15, 16 years old. And gave away our fish pond and some plants. I tried giving away as much as possible. Oreo and Bright wanted to be part of the decluttering, or maybe they sensed that we were doing something big and just didn't want to leave our side. And these choices are not about affordability. We simply want a low, grounded life. Sleeping on just the mattress, buying a new washing machine only when needed. These are mindful choices, slow, intentional, and honest. This house was a transition home. We moved here when I was done with the city life, like 3 years ago. And this community helped me go deeper into myself, understand what kind of lifestyle I actually want to give my family. Simpler, quieter, grounded. This house had everything: big rooms, greenery, beautiful roads, all the facilities. But more than that, it gave me friendships. People who waved during walks, shared tea, shared tiny and deeper conversations. Before leaving, I made a list of everyone and met them personally. I didn't want to lose that warmth. It's moving day already, and we woke up early so that we can finish off food, walk, and everything. The movers and packers guys will come around 8 o'clock. Bright is still sleeping. We have packed what all we can. Almost everything is done. Yeah, first things first, we are getting ready. Basically, wear the clothes which we want to wear for the whole travel and the whole day, and then finish up dog's work. I'm just planning to give them very little food so that
they don't have vomiting. Generally, both the dogs have motion sickness, so I'm just preparing for that. Less food, so less vomiting. I'm just hoping, and we still have to put things which I want to carry in the car, like our laptops, camera gear, and personal clothes and toiletries, which we want immediately, that I don't want to keep searching for. Yeah, those kind of things.
We had to keep the dogs on the balcony since the house has many doors and everything was open. We didn't want them to run out. Kiki was in charge of looking after them. The move didn't go exactly as planned. Our vehicle came very late. We waited for the whole afternoon after packing everything. Then I had to request the management for permission to move out at night. We finally left at 8:30 p.m., much later than expected. We thought we would reach Pondi by 6 p.m., but instead we reached at 3:30 in the morning. The dogs slept throughout. Kiki slept too, but Krishna and I were fighting to stay awake. Taking breaks, talking. I kept picking random topics to keep him alert while driving, and of course, music. Music saves you during long drives. Every move feels like a small rebirth. New walls, new light, new routes. Pondicherry, here we come. Thank you for being part of this journey. The next video will be about the new home we are creating in Pondi, minimal, nature forward, and filled with mindful choices. See you soon.